Accession process is never easy, but it's great if you have the support of all of EU 27 member states. And you know, when we were having IGC Intergovernmental Conference on opening Cluster 1, I have never experienced something like this. People were crying in the hall. And when the Minister of Foreign Affairs of Hungary, Anita Orban, was saying in front of us, everybody, that Hungary is supporting opening Cluster 1 for Ukraine, this was really for the history. Meaning nothing is done forever. And, but it is good so, you know, the member states have to have the right to bring in their concerns, so we have to have a discussion. Bad is, and in my opinion, goes against the interest of the European Union if, you know, that Ukraine was getting the candidate status, it was the decision of the EU 27. And there is the Article 4 of the European Treaty, which speaks about the loyal cooperation or sincere cooperation on the commonly agreed goals. Meaning that if we have given Ukraine candidate status, it is also our responsibility to deliver. So Cluster 1 is one part, we still have 5 to open. There is the possibility, but we have to admit that I'm responsible for the technical part of the negotiations. The other dimension is the political dynamics in the member states. I hope that we will be able to get all EU 27 voices for July 14 and open all the rest of the clusters.